Toilets can fail to flush completely due to several issues, including a clogged system, an open flapper, problems with the handle and chain, and clogged rim jets. To resolve these issues, start by unclogging the toilet using a plunger or toilet auger. The plunger can be used to dislodge and push the blockage through the trap, while the auger should be used in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions. After attempting to clear the blockage, check if the toilet is flushing properly. If the issue persists, it may be necessary to replace the flapper, which can be done by removing the tank lid and checking if the flapper is forming a tight seal. If the seal is not tight, replace it immediately. Additionally, inspect the handle and chain by removing the tank lid, flushing the toilet, and checking if the handle is loose or the chain is unclipped. If the handle is loose, tighten it, and if the chain is the wrong length, adjust it accordingly. Clogged rim jets can also be cleaned by creating a solution of 1 part bleach and 10 parts water, pouring it down the overflow tube, and letting it sit for 10 minutes before flushing. Use a small metal wire to clean the rim jets in the toilet bowl. By following these steps, it is possible to fix a toilet that is not fully flushing.